In this video, I'll show you how you can use React Toast to display the success and error message in Next.js 14 server action. If you don't know how to build this app, I suggest you to watch my previous video where I have shown you how you can build this app in detail. Right now, if I click on this delete icon, the to-do will be deleted if there is no error while deleting it from our database, and in case of an error, the to-do will remain as it is. What I want to implement is when I click on this delete icon, I should get a React or Toast message here stating whether the action was successful or not. Right now we are in the root page. So in our app, inside the app directory, open page.js file. Let's find the delete button here. This is the delete button component. Open it. The delete button is inside the form, and when the form is submitted, the ID of the to-do is passed inside the delete to-do server action. Let's open this delete to-do server action. Here we got the ID of the to-do that we passed earlier. After that, we connected with our database, and with the help of find by ID and delete method, we deleted the to-do. Now to implement the React Toast message, we have to make some modification here as well as here. So let's start from here. Let's find the to-do that is being deleted. If there is no to delete to-do, then we will return a message, error message, stating to-do not found. And if it exists, then we can simply revalidate the path. In case of an error, let's send a error message here, return error, could not delete to do. Now inside the delete component, let's create a function here, remove it, and write a function name here. Let's call it handle delete to do. Let's define our function here. As we need interactivity, we have to make this a client component. So add use client directive at the top. Now let me explain you what I am doing here. I'm passing the to-do ID inside handle to-do function, and when the function get called, I'm displaying a loading toast with text deleting to-do, and I'm passing the form data inside the delete to-do server action, and I'm awaiting the result. And if the result contains error, then I am displaying the error message, and in case there is no error, then it means it is successful. So I am displaying to-do deleted successfully here. If there is an error, we are returning object with the error message, and here also we are returning object with an error message. In case there is no error, we aren't returning anything from here. That means the else block will get executed and the success message will be displayed. Don't forget to install React Toast, npm install React Toast, and inside layout, let's define our toast. We can do it here. Import toaster from React Toast, paste it here. Also, don't forget to import toast here. Check our app and see whether if it is working or not. Refresh the page. Click on the delete icon. To do deleted successfully. We also got the loading message. So this is it.